I know that I just uploaded a video just now, but happy Thanksgiving. So, we should put our plan together. It's pretty cool that I'm a ghost now, but I died last night. I I died weeks ago. Anyway, let's get to it. So, how about you use your spawn power so you could spawn some freight cars on the line on a bridge. That sounds cool, but I still don't sound like a ghost. And you can use your you can use your your what are those called? Cloning. Oh yeah, cloning power. So not only you have to haul him into the freight cars, but you but like three or four of three like two or three more of you. Yeah, you already know what this plan is for, right? Yeah, it's to stop my others from doing something to you again. Okay, plan complete. Yeah, that was awesome. We'll be bros forever. Wait, do you hear something? I came back. Oof! Wait, what's wrong? Someone's pushing me. Brother! Hold up, Big Blue. I'm coming. What? Why in the fireboxes are you doing this? You pushed me off the cliff. You pushed me off the cliff first. We pushed each other off the cliff. Aye. You're close. Your ghost is low quality. No, it's not. We anytime we crash badly, we could survive. Like for this matter. No! Ha! That's what you get. Wait, Blue, where are you? Blue! I'm okay. I'm right here. It took me a little while to regen because I was badly damaged. Yeah, let's go. Hi, do you know why we're still here? Why? But because we can scare diesels here. They're wide awake at this time of night. Oh yeah, let's scare someone. Shut up, someone's coming. Just a normal night as always. Wait, What? 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 Are those ghost agents in the furnace? Hey, you can rock it into us. Finally, you got a ghostly voice. Absolutely not. I do not want to run into you. Ah! Ah! It's a ghost. It's a ghost. It's a ghost. Help me! Help me! Everyone, evacuate the scrapyard! There's a ghost! I'm watching you. What would she do? What shall we do now? Wait, I see another ghost. It's your same kind. Wait, so that's Tom. I believe that you should have crashed into that crater by now. Yeah, I agree. Anyway, let's just go to sleep. But we have all the time in the world. You disobeyed your brother! Oh no, he must have known! He must have known! He must have known! What is it? Oh God, no. Oh! Remember when you pushed me today? Remember when you bumped me when we were just having a conversation? I'm taking you somewhere where you can't interfere with us. No, wait, please. I was just hush you. You're going faster and faster. I know that. Thank heaven he's gone.